Hello there, everyone. Happy Halloween once again. We are out in Temecula, Murrieta area this time to check out some great home haunts, some displays, some shows, those sorts of things. So we're down here. It's a Tuesday night. Huge thanks to the individuals down here because most of them are turning things on just to be nice and helpful to us, to fit them in their schedule. So we actually had reached out to our friends at Wolf Creek and let them know we were going to be coming down. They're like, okay, we're going to turn some stuff on, and they let a few other people know. And so anyway, really grateful. There's so much good home haunting down here in the Temecula, Murrieta area. We love coming down here. And so with that said, let's make our way for our first stop at Wolf Creek. We actually just ate over here at the Submarina, not too far off, about 10 minutes away. So we'll get to the car and check it out.
Listen to this dark story I tell you today. There are very strange things about the Pacific Seas, and the strangest of all will be told here by me. Of a mystery place known as Wolf Creek Island, a capo volcano with palm trees and sand, and the souls that dwell on that small bit of land. I know it quite well. I know it firsthand. Once a renegade tribe filled the islands with fear. They sailed the Kais both far and near, raiding small towns, taking things they would rob. And before I forget, my name is Bob. Out of the Kai, after looting a town, a storm soon appeared, blew their outriggers around. Hundreds of years have now passed since that day, when the tribe arrived on their outriggers in the bay. This Bono is now ours, so the leader exclaimed. It's ours for forever, he boldly proclaimed. Then came a strange mist, and a dark spirit appeared, and that soul soon chanted. This land shall be feared. This is the island of Mount Nikitiki. The spirit lays claim to this small piece of land. A curse will befall you. Leave while you can. The tribesmen all laugh. Begone, dark spirit. We laugh at your curse. No can hear it. The spirit then vanished, and they laughed heartily. Then they broke out their Mai Tai and began to party. As night
incredible work there at Wolf Creek Island. Love the new flame effect on the volcano. Just love the volcano in general, and love that it's also like family friendly and welcoming to all. Really great just opportunity for families to check out, enjoy Halloween. You know, we always say Temecula has some great stuff down here, and that's a great example of it here as we start out the video. So huge thanks to everybody at Wolf Creek Island for turning everything on an off day, and particularly Shane, happy birthday. Stayed home to turn everything on his birthday. Can't thank you enough. So now we are heading over to Anton Haunt. This is one we stumbled upon several years ago, and we just went through it. We were just driving streets, went through, really enjoyed it. We're surprised by how many cool things were going on here in a haunt that we didn't see on like a SoCal haunt list or anything like that. Years later, they've got social media, we've podcasted on them, and fortunately, like Shane and Wolf Creek Island, they're opening up for us on an off night to let us experience their walkthrough, because they're weekends only this year, and we're down here on a Tuesday night. So let's check out Anton Haunt.
Just in time for my experiment. Don't worry about my mask.
All right, Anton just blows our mind with how much fun this one is. I mean, it is filled with so many fun nods to Halloween theme park like history. I mean, you go through a clown room, you've got pirates, you've got the evil scientists, you just go on and on and on. A show in the middle of it. I still can't believe that we're actually talking about that after, and they began that in 2020 because they couldn't have actors with COVID, and so they began this pirate show, and it's like, how creative and unique. And being people that see 100 to 150 things a year in Halloween, I don't know that we've ever seen anyone do a pirate show, or I should say any type of show in the middle of their maze. So love it, such a blast. With that said, we are gonna hop in the car now and check out our next destination. All right, next up, we've made our way over to Sevilla and Murrieta Pirates House on Sevilla, and then the Martin's Spooky Amusement Park. Our first time visiting was last year. I think we kind of thought these were like more Christmas places. And they do amazing Christmas stuff too, but they do knock you dead Halloween as well. Let's take a look. All right, some incredibly talented people. We also stopped by Cracklow. We didn't include them in this video because they're not up and running till October 23rd. Did post some pictures online on our social because they've got just a great display without it, but we didn't want to put them in this video without their full show because it is a must-see and incredible. Really great stuff there, but there are just so many must-sees down here. And this year, Nightmare is not happening, which is an incredible haunted trail show, maze, all sorts of stuff. This really is a must. You know, if you're a home haunt fan in California, you got to hit the Temecula, Murrieta area because there's so many incredible things. So with that said, we're going to wrap here. We will talk more about all of these spots as well as over 100 other home haunts this season on our podcast. You can find us at Parks and Cons, wherever it is you find podcasts. So wrapping up here until next time, we'll see you online somewhere.